Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking all about the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush Palette in the shade Darya. If you're interested to see a demo on this palette and my thoughts, keep on watching. Natasha Denona recently launched two blush and highlighting palettes, one named Darya, which I have today, and one named Citrus. The Darya is more like pinky tone and the Citrus is more like coral kind of like tone. Let's start with the demo and I'll be back and share my thoughts. Right, the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush Palette that looks like that. I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna take this shade here that called Glow Cream Base. And I'm just gonna apply it. Then I'm taking the cream blush. I'm gonna set my blush with a powder blush here. I'm taking a highlighter brush and I'm going with the Glow Extreme powder. And on top of that, I'm getting a little bit of the diamond powder, just for a little bit sparkle. As if I need more sparkle, but anyway. Just a little bit. And on top of that, I'm taking the Duo Glow powder, because why not? Just a little bit here. And this is the look. Now the palette. The box looks like that. It's the classic Natasha Denona box, and on the back it says the ingredients of each product. It retails for $89 US and it's made in Italy, and it contains 6 products. It's paraben free and cruelty free. Now the outside packaging looks like that. It's like a plastic and it has like a pink color and that like kind of like duochrome holographic diamond and blush. On the back it says the name here and it's quite heavy and sturdy. Now when you open it, it has a huge mirror here, like beautiful mirror. You can see everything, and it has 6 products. The 3 first products, they housed like in a plastic lid, which is great for me because the 2 of them, they are cream. So the 2 products are cream and the 4 products are in powder form. And I love that it includes that lid here, so it can protect obviously the other powders getting into the creams. Natasha separated in 3 categories. It's the diamond, the blush and the glow. This is the cream highlighter that she's got, the stick form. It's called Glow Cream Base. This is the diamond powder. It's like a new thing, I believe, in Natasha's line. It's very extreme shine. This is the cream blush. This is the powder blush. And this is the Duo Glow, which she released before. And I have one of them here. And I'm gonna comparing them, obviously. They look a bit different. And I have mine in Rayo. And this is the Glow Extreme. Now, I'm gonna give you swatches of all the products and share my thoughts, of course. This is the Glow Cream Base. They're very smooth. Natasha recommends you to apply that either with fingers or like say with a beauty sponge. This is the diamond powder, as you see, gives you that sparkle. Now let's go to the cream blush. The blush is so pigmented, guys. The powder blush. Now the Duo Glow blush. and the Glow Extreme Powder. So we've got the Glow Cream Base, the Diamond Powder, the Cream Blush, the Powder Blush. Now we have the Duochrome Powder and the Glow Extreme Powder. And I will put the Glow Extreme Powder on top of the cream base. Basically you have a very intense wet kind of like highlighter, and this I left it blank so I can put the Duo Glow in Rayo that I have, so I can compare them. This is the Duo Glow in Darya palette, and this is the Duo Glow in Rayo that I have. As you see, they're a bit similar, but they're different as well. This is more like lighter, I would say. This is more intense. I've also brought her powder blush in the Golden Coral so I can compare it with the powder blush here in Darya. This is the Golden Coral that I have, one of her powder blushes, and this is the powder blush in Darya palette. If I can put it next to the powder blush, if you see it you think they look similar, but they're not really. With the swatches they look a bit different. More reminds me the cream blush, I would say, in the swatches. The Duo Glow that I have, this is in Rayo. They look similar on the pen, but in the swatches they are a bit different. As you see here, this is the Darya in the Darya palette, and this is the Rayo. My thoughts on this palette, guys. Firstly, I have to say the packaging is gorgeous, is amazing, it's really beautiful. I wouldn't expect less from Natasha, and feels really sturdy. The products, they perform really well. As you see, I'm very happy with the result. The powders are beautiful. The cream products are really nice too. The price is a bit steep, $89 US, it's a bit steep. I love the fact, as I said, that she has that plastic here, so the two cream products won't be messed up with the powders on top, if you know what I mean. They last a long time. By the end of the day I can still see blush. You don't have to wear them as I did today, or as Natasha suggests. That's a suggestion. You can mix and match and wear them as, you know, however you like basically. But the price is a bit steep, and if you already own some of Natasha's base products, like her cream stick and the all over shimmer glow, some of her blushes and the Duo Glow, I would say maybe you can skip on this. Otherwise, I would highly recommend it. I'm happy that I have this one, but I wouldn't go say and purchase the citrus one. Take it that way. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And until next time, mwah, bye.